Hello, and you're welcome to French class with Annabelle.
Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everyone and you're welcome to my channel. My name is Anne, in case you see my face for the first time. Thank you for tuning in. In today's class, we'll be conjugating the verb se sentir in the present tense. Se sentir is a reflexive verb and it means to feel a certain way, like to feel happy, to feel sad, to feel tired, and so on. In conjugating the reflexive verbs, we'll make use of the reflexive pronouns. I'll drop a link of this in my description so you go check it out to get a clearer understanding of the reflexive verbs. Please watch my video to the end, share your thoughts in my comment section, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much as you do this. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Se sentir au présent. Je me sens. I feel. Exemple, je me sens bien. I feel good. Tu te sens. You feel. Exemple, tu te sens fatigué? Do you feel tired? Il, elle, on se sent. He, she, one feels. Exemple, il, elle, on se sent malade. He, she, or one feels sick. Nous nous sentons. We feel. Exemple, nous nous sentons heureux. We feel happy. Vous vous sentez. You feel. Exemple, vous vous sentez mieux? Do you feel better? Ils, elles se sentent. They feel. Exemple, ils, elles se sentent stressés. They feel stressed. Now let's take it all over. Je me sens. Tu te sens. Ils se sentent. Elles se sentent. On se sent. Nous nous sentons. Vous vous sentez. Ils se sentent. Elles se sentent.